Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Yes, today we'd like to introduce you our new product, and anyone interested, please follow me, okay? Yes, our new product F00VC01502 and F00VC01517 valves assembly copy, F00VC01502, F00VC01517 or 518 control valves have been supplied in batches. The model of the adaptive injector for these control valves are 0445110369, 0445110429. After several months of Shumatt's test and large numbers of customers' test feedback results, these control valves has been very stable and can be continuously supplied in batches at present. The most important point is promotion this month. Shumatt promises that every valve we see will guarantee 100% test well and provide the good warranty service. Yes? Okay, let's see. The control valve is packaged in roast-proof VCI plastic bags, and the square cylinder effectively protects the valve's assembly from the damage during the transportation. Yes, you can see here. We provide the entire assembly, bonnet and stem. At present, we mainly consider sealing the whole side, not sealing the valve cap separately. Yes. Yes, and we are offering the promotion of these control valves in August. So anyone, if you want to order it, take actions, okay? Yes, take this chance. So today, that's all of our new products. And let's see each other at our next channel, okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.